New material, use an existing material type, concrete. Let's say I want to create my own material based on the concrete properties. So these are the concrete. These are all the types, and here's the concrete type. If we go down to the bottom and say we create a new material in the document, we're going to create a new based on the type. We'll select concrete. It'll pop it up over here in the editor. First thing we want to do is change the name to something more applicable. Next, we want to pick the color of the concrete, so we can pick and edit the color. We can go to the sealant. What kind of a sealant is applied to the concrete? We can go with an epoxy sealant or an acrylic sealant. Next, we can go with finish bumps. What kind of finish do we have on this concrete? So when we were finishing the concrete, did we brush it with a broom with straight patterns? Or did we brush the top of the concrete with curved patterns? Or did we put a smooth pattern on it, screed it smooth? Or did we polish it? Or did we stamp and customize it? We can also choose whether it's weathered or not. And if we have it weathered, we can have it automatic, so it looks as though it's more than like 30 days old and up to strength. Or we can put in a custom image, so we can bring in a picture of a very weathered concrete. We can also set the tint. So we can set a tint to any color of concrete we want. So if we're putting in any tinting in that in our mix, we can get that as well. So we are creating concrete from the type. So a new material from an existing material type, and that material type is concrete. So once again, we come down here to start it, and then we go through our options, and then that material will be in our document materials.